We're promised an AI revolution. Effortlessly chat with your data, get instant answers. Vector search feels like magic, right? Plug in your information, and suddenly, the machine understands meaning, not just keywords. But what if that magic comes with an unseen price tag? A hidden cost that quietly caps your AI's true potential long before you ever hit scale. Today, we're exposing the true cost of vector search and unveiling a surprising, often overlooked technology that unlocks genuine, massive AI growth. Vector search is incredibly powerful. Its core genius lies in translating everything, text, images, even sounds, into high-dimensional numerical vectors. Imagine transforming ideas into points within a vast, abstract space. Your query becomes another point, and the system swiftly finds all the nearest neighbors, data points sharing a similar vibe or semantic meaning. This enables remarkable fuzzy matching and semantic retrieval, instantly connecting you to related concepts even when exact keywords are absent. It has profoundly reshaped how we discover information and contextualize our most advanced AI models. But what happens when your questions demand more than just similar vibes? What if you need precise, multi-layered relationships? Consider asking, show me companies that acquired AI startups in Q3 2023, whose founders previously worked at Google, and whose primary product is sustainable energy. Suddenly, our intuitive mood board founders. It can surface elements related to acquisitions, related to Google, related to sustainable energy. But connecting these distinct, conditional relationships into one accurate, coherent answer? That becomes a muddled, ambiguous mess. Vector search excels at broad similarity, but it fundamentally lacks the explicit structure to understand nested conditions, the precise why behind connections. Here, critical global context isn't just lost, it was never truly understood. These conceptual limitations translate into very real, very painful costs for your engineering teams. As your data scales, so does the burden. Vector indexes, especially for massive datasets, can demand enormous amounts of RAM, often hundreds of gigabytes, even terabytes, just to maintain acceptable query speeds. Every significant data update can trigger expensive, time-consuming index rebuilds, spiking CPU usage and leaving your system vulnerable to cold start problems. This isn't just about storing massive data. It's about the exponential increase in compute power required for dynamic, real-time updates. Your cloud spend silently accumulates, draining budgets with endless hardware upgrades, while inconsistent query times frustrate users and hinder adoption. The promise of limitless scalability hits a very tangible and very expensive ceiling. What if there was a different approach? Instead of chasing imprecise vibes, what if we focused on undeniable facts? Enter the knowledge graph, a true blueprint for intelligence. Imagine not a swirling mood board, but a meticulously engineered architectural plan. Here, every piece of data is an explicit entity, a company, a person, a product. And crucially, the relationships between them are equally explicit, clearly defined connections like acquired by, works at, invented. This isn't about inference or suggestion. It's about verifiable, structured facts and their inherent connections. It brings an unparalleled level of precision and clarity to your most complex data. This blueprint isn't static. It comes alive with undeniable precision. Let's revisit that complex query. Find all executives of companies acquired by Google in the last 5 years, who also hold patents in renewable energy. With a knowledge graph, the system doesn't struggle, it traces the path. From Google to every company it acquired, then to every CEO of those companies, and finally, verifies if those individuals hold patents in renewable energy. Each step is explicit, verifiable, and explainable. This is multi-hop reasoning in action, providing deterministic lineage, not a fuzzy guess, but an auditable, precise answer. This is the critical difference between an educated suggestion and an undeniable fact, paramount for AI applications demanding true explainability and accuracy. Let's put them side by side. On the left, our mood board, trying to decipher what are the causal factors contributing to declining sales in Q4 across all products linked to a specific supply chain disruption in June. It produces a broad, ambiguous cluster of related factors, On the right, our blueprint. It meticulously traces a precise causal chain. Product X to supplier Y, which had disruption Z, impacting manufacturing schedule A, leading to inventory shortage B, resulting in declining sales C. This isn't just similarity. This is causality, context, and indisputable explainability. And when it comes to dynamic updates and maintaining global context, vector search hits a wall. For a knowledge graph, updating a specific fact takes milliseconds, preserving its entire interconnected context. For a large vector index, it can mean hours of costly rebuilds, often obliterating the very global context you desperately need. This is the unseen, expensive ceiling of vector search. So what does true AI scale truly look like? It's not about replacing vector search. It's about giving it an intelligent, rock-solid foundation. Vector search excels at identifying similar items and providing quick, intuitive results. It's brilliant for the initial, fuzzy exploration. But for real intelligence, for understanding causal factors, for complex reasoning, for ensuring factual grounding and auditable lineage, knowledge graphs are absolutely essential. They provide the explicit structure, the deterministic understanding, and the dynamic flexibility that vector search simply cannot deliver, especially as your data and questions grow exponentially more complex. This hybrid architecture, where vector embeddings enhance a solid knowledge graph foundation, is how we move beyond the hype and build truly robust, intelligent, and explainable AI systems. It's time to build AI on a foundation that doesn't just promise scale, but delivers it.